So model 1 is all about finding the day on the particular date, guys. As you have seen the birth dates and days, question will be given with a year, month, and then respective date. We need to understand the question and find out what was the day on the exact date. Okay. So to find out that, we need to remember certain codes. So these are the codes you need to remember. Day codes, it's very easy to understand, guys. As the week is starting from Monday and ending with Sunday, you can see the day codes here. Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Wednesday is 3, Thursday is 4, Friday 5, Saturday 6, Sunday 7. Why Sunday 7 means the week is ending, right? So you can't be having 7 over there. And also to determine exactly what was the day on the like a particular date, we will be dividing the date with we will be dividing the respective value with 7. Okay, when any number is divisible by 7, you can't say that the remainder is 7. These are the remainder values we have represented over here, guys. So when you divide that days with the 7, if you get 1, it's Monday. If you get 2, it's Tuesday. If you get 3, it's Wednesday. 4, Thursday. 5, Friday. 6, Saturday. And then 0, Sunday. What we are dividing and all, I can explain you with the process and all. Just remember, if at all you are dividing any number with 7, you can't be getting 7 as reminder. It is exactly divisible means you will be getting 0 as reminder. Okay. And next year, century codes. Century codes you can see from 1600, guys. What if the question is framed before 1600 means before 1600 we don't have a code. We need to go for the normal process of solving the question. But from 1600 we can have codes, guys. All these codes they have done some like they have followed some theory and they depicted these codes in the concept of logical reasoning. If you want to know how the codes has come means we can explain you, but once the all the questions are explained for the models, we can discuss how the codes has come and how the codes has derived from the logic and okay. But as of now, you just remember the codes, guys. From 16 to 1699, it is 6, next to 4, next to 2, next to 0. Actually, 6420, 6420, this series will be repeating, guys. Okay. If further in the future, if they ask for any other century, you please remember 6420, 6420 is the value that will be repeating for that centuries. And century codes starting with 1600 we have, guys. You just remember we are starting the century codes with 1600 and the code is starting from 6420 value. Okay. Now, so see the month codes here, month codes. So we have 12 months, guys. I have divided the 12 months as 4 blocks. Okay. 4 blocks and then 3 months in each block. So this is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I have written in the order, guys. So please don't have a confusion. The first block M is March, second block M is May. Second block, the first value is April. Third block, the middle value is August. Okay. All the 12 months I have written in a series and then I have breaked it into three months a group. I have divided them into 4 groups. Okay. And the codes also I have written over there, guys. How can you remember the codes means? I'll tell you here the easy way of remembering. You please fill the first block 033. Okay. And then fill the last block 035. And then come to the middle block and write 614, 625. Okay. How can you remember the month codes means? I can tell you a way to remember the codes here. Please fill the first block 033 and then fill the last block 035. Fill the middle block 614 and then 625. Okay. You might feel like it is little difficult to understand and remember, but after solving few questions on this model questions, you can actually understand what is the process of solving here, guys. Okay. So day codes starting with Monday 1, ending with Sunday 0. Next, century codes starting with 1600, 6420 is the series. Month codes, you can see the month codes as one block of value 033 first block, 035 last block, 614 middle block, and the next block is 625. Okay. So We are done with month codes, century codes, and day codes, guys. And let me explain how can we find out the day on the particular date with respect to that codes. Okay. So here is the process of solving the day on the particular date. So we need to take the date given. Okay. Whatever is the date given in the question, we need to take the date. Next, the last two digits of the given year. We need to take the last two digits of the given year. And the next step, last two digits of the given year divided by 4, we need to consider the coefficient of the value. Okay. Next, month code and century code. After taking all these 5 values, we need to add all the values and then divide it with 7 to list out the day on the particular date. Okay. So why we are dividing it with 7 means because we have 7 days in a week, guys. That's the reason we are dividing. And this is the process of solving the question. Okay. If you ask me how this process has designed and all, I tell you one thing. You might have played one game with your friends when you are in schooling or intermediate level. Like you will ask your friend to select one number, add plus 5, do minus 5, divide it with 4, multiply it with 5, and then you can actually guess what can be the number they have guessed it, or otherwise, you can actually tell the logic of the number that they have guessed. Okay. So all that is framed on a theory and logic with the divisibility rules of numbers, guys. Here also, with respect to calendar, taking the month codes, century codes, and then with respect to divisibility rules, we can find out the day on the particular date. Okay. So let's remember the process. Take out the date given, take the year, first concentrate on the date. Okay. So what will be given over there? Just imagine you are asked to find out 14th August 1947. Okay. It's not 15th August, guys. I wrote it correct only. I'm finding for 14th August 1947. Okay. So what is the information given? Take out the date. Date is nothing but 14. Next step. Last two digits of the given year. Last two digits of the given year is 47. Next. Last two digits divided by 4. Concentrate on the coefficient. 47 divided by 4 means 4 11s 44. Remainder is 3. So you need to concentrate on the coefficient. That means exactly how many ever times are possible. That is the value. So third step is 11. Month code. What is the month code of August, guys? Please, fast, fast. Month code of August. You have you have the information already. Month code of August. Please don't say it is 6. Superb. Prachi, Monica, superb, guys. Month code of August is nothing but 2. Okay. Next, century code. So what is the century? This is from 1947. So I can tell you that 1947 means it's in the year of 1900 to 1999. So century code is 0. Okay. Add all the values. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 5, 6, 7, 74. Okay. This is the value. After adding the value, you need to divide it with 7. Okay. Divide it with 7. 7 tens are 70. And what's the remainder, guys? Remainder is nothing but 4. Okay. I have given you the list already. If 1 is the remainder, it's Monday. 2 remainder Tuesday. 3 remainder Wednesday. 4 remainder means what is the day on the particular date, guys? 4 remainder means it is Thursday. Okay. That means what is the answer for the question? 14th August 1947 is nothing but a Thursday. Okay. Got the way of solving of the question, guys? You have the codes already for month, day, and then century. To be frank, day codes are not that difficult to remember and understand. Century codes are also the same. Only you need to focus on the month codes, guys. 4 blocks. First block 033, last block 035, middle block 614, like 614, 625. So before writing the calendars test or otherwise, if you have any aptitude examination, you can just write down the code and then start solving the questions based on that code, guys. You can't exactly remember what is the month code of March, but if you can remember in an order, in a logic, in a certain way, you can actually understand what is the month code of each month. Okay. So this is the process. Take out the date given, last two digits of the given year, last two digits divided by 4, and then month code and then century code. Okay. So let's start solving the questions based on this model, guys. Here is the question. I have explained you with example. Try to solve this question and share the answer option here in the chat box. Fast, fast. Okay, let me help you to solve this question, guys. Since this is the first one in model one, I'm just explaining you. You just need to take out the date. Done. Next, last two digits of year. I'm just writing last two digits of year. Okay. Next, last two digits divisible by 4. Concentrate on the coefficient value. Okay. Next, take out the month code. And the last point, take out the century code. Okay. You can take it in any order, guys, but you must have all these 5 values. Okay. So what is the date? Date is nothing but 4th. Done. Next, what is the last two digits of the year? 93. Last two digits divisible by 4. So 93 divisible by 4. 4 twos 8, 13. 4 threes 12. You need to concentrate on the coefficient. Coefficient is this 23. So third step is 23. Next, month code. What is the month code of November, guys? November is in the fourth block middle value, so 3. Next, what is the century code? 1993. 1900 to 1999, the code is 0. Okay. Please add all the values. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 9 to 10, 11, 12, 123. Okay. So we got 123. 123, we need to list out what is the day on the particular date. So let's divide it with 7. Okay. 7 1 7 53. 7 7 49. So what's the value that you will be getting over here, guys? It's 4, right? So 4 is referring to Thursday. So what was the day on the particular date means you can answer the question. Option A is the answer for the question. Okay. Mitesh, Varshita, Monica, Prajwal, and then Chaitanya. Okay. Prachi. Superb, guys. Thanks for the responses in the chat box. I hope now you got the process of solving of the question. If you observe keenly, if you can remember the logic and then process of solving the question, it is just taking out the values, adding and then dividing, guys. That's it. Okay. From next question onwards, I'll not write this information. I'll just directly take out the value of each step in the order. Okay. So you please check for that. All the students, if you understood the question, please raise the hands. Any doubts, you can share it in the chat box or Q&A column. Let's not waste more time, guys. Get on to this model and solve the questions. So what was the day on the week of 7th September 1876? Okay, we know the process already. Take out the date. Date is 7. Last two digits of the year 76. Last two digits divisible by 4. 76 divisible by 4. So that means 36. 19. Exactly possible, right? So what is the coefficient value, guys? Coefficient value is nothing but 19. So third step, it is 19. Next, fourth step, month code. What is the month code of September? September is in the third block, last value. So that is 5. Next, what is the century code? 1876 means 1800 to 1899. Century code is nothing but 2. Okay. So date is 7. Last two digits of the year 76. Last two digits divided by 4. Coefficient is 19. Month code is 5 and then century code is 2. So add all the values, guys. What's the total? 7 plus 6, 13. So 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 9, 29. Next, 109. Okay, 109 is the total. Divide this 109 with 7 and check what can be the remainder. Based on the remainder, You can list out the day of the particular date. Okay. 717 39, 75 35. Reminder is 4. Again, the reminder is 4. Already you know if the reminder is 4, what was the day on the particular date, guys? If the reminder is 4, it is Thursday. So what's the answer for the question? Answer for the question is nothing but option A, Thursday. Again, Monica, Varshita, Mitesh, um, thanks for the response, guys. It doesn't matter whether the answer is right or wrong, but if you try and answer the question, you can remember the process actually, guys. Okay, addition mistakes or division mistakes, or after answering the question, if you are failing to recognize the actual reminder value of the day, that is also fine. With practice, you can get it. But now you should understand and remember the process. That's the main point here. Okay. So first memorize the process. Next, you can take care of the calculation. Okay. Let's go for the next one. Here is the next question. What was the day on the week on 18th April 1744? What was the day on the week on 18th April 1744? So what we need to do? Take out the date. Date is 18. Next, last two digits of the year 44. Okay. Last two digits divisible by 4. 44 divisible by 4. 44 11s 44. Exactly divisible. The remainder is 0. So coefficient value is nothing but 11. So here it is 11. Done. Now what is the month code? Month code of April. April is in the second block, first value. Month code is 6. Next, what is the century code? 1744. 1744 means it's from 1700 to 1799. The code is nothing but 4. Okay. So add all the values. 6 plus 4, 10. 8 plus 4, 12. 13. 13 plus 10, 23. Next, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's the total value, guys? It's nothing but 83. Okay. Divide this 83 with 7, 7, 13. Again 717. What's the value? 6. So 6 is referring to which, guys? 6 is referring to Saturday. We can't see Saturday here in the options. So what's the answer for the question, guys? Answer for the question is nothing but none of these. When you got none of this answer, please don't have a doubt, guys. The process of solving that you're following is perfectly right. You can get none of this also. Okay. All the time, it's not that whatever the answer you get, that should be in the options. So please don't doubt your intelligence. And Prachi, Mitesh, Varshita, and Nazir, thanks for the response, guys. Check for the next one. Only thing is memorize the process of solving. What was the day on the week on 22nd February 2002? Okay. So first step is take out the date. Date is 22nd. Next, take out last two digits of year. Last two digits of year is 02. Next, third step, last two digits of the year divisible by 4. Okay. Guys, see here, if you have a doubt, then I will give you clarity. Coefficient will start from 0. Okay. So, or 1. You can't have a coefficient value like 0 point something like that. So, 2 is not at all divisible by 4. That means it goes 0 times. Okay. What is the remainder? Remainder is 2. And what is the coefficient value, guys? Coefficient value is 0. Okay. So, if you want to divide a 2 with the 4, you can't even say that it is having exactly one time also. Okay. So coefficient is 0, guys. It's not possible even one time also. Coefficient is 0. You can't have a 0 point something as coefficient. Okay. So I guess this is the only thing you need to understand here. Next, month code, talking about month code, February month code is 3. Next, century code. Century code is 2002, right? So 2002, 2099, century code is 6. 6 plus 4, 10, 13. Next 33. Okay. So divide 33 with 7 to state the value of like a day on the particular date. 7 4s 28. So 33 minus 28, what's the value, guys? 5. 5 is referring to Friday. 6 is Saturday, 0 is Sunday, guys. 5 is referring to Friday. What's the answer for the question? Option D, Friday. Is that clear, guys? Monica, Ramya, yes, Ramya. Varshita, Mitesh, Chaitanya, Prachi. Thanks for the response, guys. Prajwal. Yeah. Check for the next one. Next model. So what we have learned in model one, guys, model one is all about they'll give a specific date, and we have day codes and month codes, and then century codes. Depending upon the process of solving for the first one we used, we can depict the codes of logical values and then follow the process to answer the question. Okay. So this model is also based on the same logic, guys. But there is one more step that you need to use here to answer the question. Rest all is the same. There is no difference. On what dates of November 1947 did Saturday fall? So you got the meaning of the question, right? So they took year 1947 and the month November, and they're asking if you see the particular month on the particular year, on exactly what dates the Saturday is falling. Okay. When can you see Saturday? On what dates you can see Saturday possibly? Okay. Guys, we know it already. Every day will be repeating after 7 days, right? Because a week is having 7 days in it. Every day, if you see what is today, today is Saturday. Okay. And what was the date today, guys? Date is 22. Okay. If you want to check like what is previous Saturday, what you will be doing, you will be subtracting 7, or otherwise you can jump 7 days back. So if you want to check when is the next Saturday, what you will be doing, you will be counting in the forward direction plus 7. So like that, if you want a particular day, if you want to check like when you can have that particular day in the month, you can just go for forward values, and you can just go for the backward values to check for the respective dates. Okay. But that is not the process which we will use here to understand. We have a process of solving here, guys. Okay. So they're asking for November 1947. Okay. So first I will find for 1st November 1947. Okay. You may ask me, ma'am, why you are finding for 1st November 1947 specifically. You can find out for any day you want, guys. But here to make it clear, I'm just finding for 1st November 1947. Okay. I'll just find for 1st November 1947. I'll get the day on the particular date. Based on that, I can estimate when Saturday will come. That means when first Saturday will come. Based on that, I can list out when the following Saturdays will come. The next Saturdays will come. Okay. Actually, you can take any date in the November month, guys. But if you take the date in the like a middle week or third week or a second week like that, you will be getting second Saturday or third Saturday like that. Okay. So to avoid confusion and all, you please take the first day of the month given with respect to the year. Calculate the day on the date. Based on that, whatever the day they asked in the question, we can answer for that day. Okay. Super fast students. Already we got answers from Chaitanya and Varshita. Let's see whether that is right or wrong. Okay. 1st November 1947. Got the point right, guys? If yes, please raise the hands. Because the same point we will be using to solve the entire model question. You can take actually any day, but to avoid confusion and all, we are taking the first day of the month to solve the question. Okay. Mitesh also gave the answer. Unity, yeah, all the three gave the same answer. Maybe that's the correct one. Okay. Super, guys. Let's check for the explanation. So take out the date. Date is first. Next, take out the last two digits of the year. Last two digits of the year is nothing but 47. Last two digits divisible by 4. So 4 11s 44. Coefficient is nothing but 11. Okay. So here it is 11. Next, month code. What is the month? November is the month. Month code of November is nothing but 3. Next, century code. 1947, 1900 to 1999, the century code is nothing but 0. Okay. So add all the values, guys. 7 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. So it is 12, 62. So 62, check whether it is divisible, like what's the reminder for divisibility rule? So if you're dividing it with 7, we have 7 8s 56, right? So 6. 6 is the reminder. If 6 is the reminder, 6 is referring to Saturday, guys. That means as 6 is the reminder, I can say that it is Saturday. So for what we are finding it, guys, we are finding it for 1st November 1947. That means 1st November 1947 is Saturday. Okay. What is the day they are asking? Luckily, the day they're asking in the question is also Saturday. That's the reason, without any worry, first Saturday is on 1st, so I can pick option A as the answer. Okay. So not all the time what was the day they're asking that will be falling on the 1st of the month, guys. Okay. Luckily here they're asking for Saturday and that fall on like 1st of the month. So we can easily answer the question. Okay. But it is not going to be the same for every time. On what dates of November 1947 did Saturday fall means you can say it's on 1, 8, 15, 22 and 29. Is that clear, guys? If yes, please raise the hand. This model you need to solve means you please take the first day of the month, calculate for the day. Depending upon that, you can answer for the remaining dates on which the particular day is falling on. Okay. Check for the next one. Here is the next one. Any doubts, you can share it here in the chat box. 254. Okay. No problem, guys. Students who have already understood the process, that is super good, guys. Just relax for a while. I'm explaining it once again. Please check for the explanation because it's very important. Put how many ever stars you want, but this model is very important, guys. Okay. The same thing we will be following for the rest of the questions also. I hope you got the meaning of the question. On what dates of November 1947 did Saturday fall means? If you take the month November in the year 1947, if you look for the month, Saturday is on which dates exactly? Okay, that's the question. Actually, for that we have a process of solving, guys. You can take any date in the month of November and check what was the day on the particular date. Depending upon the date, you can actually understand on which day Saturday is falling. Okay, I'm just concentrating here to find out 1st November 1947 because with respect to that, you can find out when is the first Saturday in that month. Okay, so I just find it for the 1st November 1947 using the process which I have explained you earlier. It is Saturday, guys. Luckily, 1st November 1947 is Saturday, and the day they're asking in the question is also Saturday. So no need to go forward or backward to list out for Saturday. Exactly, it is starting on 1st. So option A will be the answer. If they're asking some other day in the question, then you need to go forward or backward to check on which dates exactly the required day is falling on. Okay, that's the process of solving. 254 is the clear now.